Hey everyone, good morning. It is about 2 minutes to 10 and today is Tuesday, I believe. And I am going to get my teeth fixed. I'm going to the dentist. I had to come out to New York only because my dentist is out here and I really don't know the dentists out in Connecticut. So it's just a little tricky to find someone that I can actually trust. Plus, I know this dentist really well. I know this dentist really well, way better than any other dentist out in Connecticut. And I know this dentist is, you know, able to do the dental work that I need, like quickly and efficiently. He's the one that did it the first time, and so I trust him. You know, I'm a little scared to get out of the boat and try something new right now. I just want it done, and then I can kind of switch out to a dentist out in Connecticut. But for now, we're back in New York, back in these streets. I can't stay too long because I actually have to get up and leave straight after, so I gotta pee. First of all, let me find a place to pee, and then we're going to go to the dentist. Yay! But let's just get a close-up of my teeth right now. Here's my teeth. They are cracked and chipped on that side and a little bit underneath here. I don't mind if he doesn't feel this and just feels this one, because it might be hard to keep this one because I eat. And yeah, so this is what my teeth look like, and we're just gonna go ahead and get them fixed. Hopefully it is a quick and easy process, no hiccups. Let's go.
The more you do it, they tend to, I mean, we can do it and it'll be okay, but the same thing's going to happen. They're going to re-chip at some point. You know, what you really need there is what's called porcelain laminates, veneers. That's not something that's covered by the insurance. Right. And well, they strictly consider it cosmetic.
Yeah.
Just turn this off,
yeah.
So,
I mean, I'll take the porcelain, what you had, well, I've come here a long time ago, right, and it actually stayed for a while.
Yeah, no, I mean, I'm not saying it won't stay for a while, but what happens is the more you do it, you know, the material grabs on. Yeah. So, the reason I can't do the bonding today is when you do the cleaning, the material won't grab onto it. So you have to come back to do that.
No, yeah. I thought I would get it done today.
No, you can't, it'll pop right off.
So, I did not get my teeth fixed. Why? Because the dude cleaned my teeth and then told me that he couldn't put it on because he just cleaned it. So because he cleaned it, the bonding process would be all messed up just because of the fact that he cleaned it. It kind of threw off the bonding. So if he puts the porcelain crown on my teeth now, it's not going to last. So now I have to come back out here again tomorrow, but thankfully all of this stuff would have been squared out, and I already kind of understand how to drive out here. It's just ridiculously annoying. I only came out here to get my teeth cleaned, like seriously? And it's so hot and sweaty out here in New York. Like, I forgot about the struggle. Like, I'm walking the sideway, and every so often, like, I'm feeling like I'm gonna trip over the sidewalk because I'm wearing these flats. It's just so hot, and it just feels like the struggle. Anyways, let me stop complaining. I mean, I'm glad that the first step was done. It's been a while since I had gotten a cleaning. He'll figure it out, and I'll be back here again tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Today is Thursday and my teeth are back to normal. He actually went in and filled both of them. So like I have this one, you can't even see it really, but there's like a porcelain like crown on this one, and he also put some on the bottom here where it was a little chip. So back to straight nice teeth again. That was definitely a humbling experience and a learning experience as far as my self-esteem and just looking at myself in the mirror and accepting myself and all my flaws. So I'm just happy to have my teeth fixed again. It's just something about it. With me, it was very, very important to me to get it fixed. And this month has been a long month waiting for that appointment, but I'm glad that I waited. And of course it took 2 days, but I'm glad that it's finally, you know, it came, and all I had to do was just hold on. So yeah guys, here we go. For those of you that didn't know, yes, I chipped my tooth on summer vacation, but now we're back at it again. I just have to be very careful what I eat now. Of course I can't eat, like, say like an apple. I can't like bite, you know, bite into it like a normal person would. I have to chop it up and eat it, you know, in bites. I can't like just be like reckless with my eating and just eat hard stuff. I have to go back to eating things chopped up, or training myself again to chew with the back of my mouth rather than I guess the front of my mouth. Yesterday I had like a chicken sandwich. That wasn't so bad. I didn't feel like, you know, bad eating it while having these in my mouth. Of course he told me to wait like an hour until I can eat something. So I waited like over an hour actually yesterday to eat, and it felt good. How does it feel in my mouth? I do, like, my tongue keeps doing that, like going back to the front of the tooth, because like for some reason like I just feel inclined to like put my tongue there and feel it, just because I know it's something new in my mouth. It does feel a little grainy right now, but I know that when I first got this done years ago, it felt grainy, and as you brush your teeth every day, like it finally sands down and it feels smooth. It doesn't feel grainy anymore. It's just right now it feels grainy. It feels like something new in my mouth, and so my tongue keeps going to it, like, you know, like every so often my tongue goes and touches it, like, what's that new thing in your mouth? But it's not new. I just have to relearn how it feels to have these things freshly installed on my tooth. So other than that, everything is fine. Brushing my teeth is fine. I don't feel like it will pop out. It feels very firm and strong. I know that it's firm and strong because I had these on for like 10 years before they popped out. So it feels good. He did put like a little gap, because I have like a slight gap in the front of my teeth. So I was happy that he did that right, because that wouldn't have looked right if he didn't keep the gap and, you know, the teeth just look together, even though my teeth are not naturally like that. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm glad that I got the cleaning done, even though it had me, you know, because what he did had me come out an extra day, but I'm glad that it's done, and now I can get back to business. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this little runaround video where I took you guys along with me to get my teeth fixed, and I hope that it helped some of you kind of understand what it's like to get these the crowns done if you are interested in getting them. Most medical, well, not medical, but dental insurance covers it. Is that the right way to say it? Most insurance that you may have for dental covers the teeth and the crown placement and so forth. So if you have a chipped tooth that you want to be fixed, there's a big chance that your insurance covers it already. So look into it if you were interested, and if not, hey, embrace everything. You know, I had that experience to kind of accept myself for that 1 month, but I'm glad that it's finally fixed. So anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all of your kind comments, and yeah, I guess if you want to know more about the dental crowns, ask me questions. I guess I can, you know, do a whole video for you and answer them for you. I know some of you guys that followed me back when I had braces, when I did my braces videos. So if you want like updates on my teeth and how this is doing, let me know. I'll update you. But thank you for watching. I love each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Later. Bye.